Thanksgiving in my house means a lot of family, a lot of food, and a lot of timers. Have the best time this Thanksgiving by keeping your timers in check. I'm not pulling your turkey leg when I say this, but it's really easy. All you have to do is when you set the timer, give it a name. Hey Google, set a 10-minute timer for corn.
All right, a 10-minute timer called corn. And we're starting now.
You can easily set a timer for all the things you need, not just one. Set a second timer for an hour called turkey.
Second timer, turkey for 1 hour. And that's starting now.
If you don't have a smart speaker, you can be thankful you can set multiple timers on your smartphone too. If you're setting your timer with a voice command, make sure the device you're talking to actually hears you and sets the timer. Learn that one the hard way.
Your corn timer is up.
Corn's ready. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are two of the biggest shopping holidays of the year. But did you know if you're doing it online, you might be able to save a little bit more money? Here are 3 ways to win online shopping. Search for coupons. If it's a place you've shopped before, it's likely you're on their email distribution list. So check your inbox to see if there's any goodies hiding in there. You can also do a web search. Just type in the store's name with coupons and see what shows up. Use a cashback plugin like Rakuten or Honey. Sometimes they have special promotions and offer even more cashback than usual. Price check it. See how much other stores are charging for that exact same item. Or if you use Rakuten, it'll do it for you. If you like to shop on Amazon, throw that link into Camel. It'll show you the price history of the item you're looking at and might help you decide when's the best time to buy. Stick with me, kid. You might save a buck or two. I know I'm not the only one who stands and stares hoping food appears in the fridge. Thankfully, there are apps to help me figure out what I have, so I spend less time looking. Here's how to have your food and eat it too. These apps can help you manage the food that you have, what you don't have, and what might be expiring soon. These apps do require quite a bit of work on your end. You have to actively log what you have and what you don't have so they know what you're working with. If there's a grocery store you shop at pretty regularly and have an account, the app Cook List lets you connect those. So when you go grocery shopping there, what you buy automatically shows up in the app. Once it knows what you have, it can suggest things for you to make, or it'll tell you what you need if it has a recipe that you're interested in. There are a number of different apps that you can use in this scenario, so it's just a matter of what works best for you and your kitchen. I don't need an app to tell me that it's pizza time. Are you trying to cut back on your food waste? Well, it's probably easier than you think. Here are 3 ways to be a bit more food conscious. Check out the app Too Good To Go. They offer what they call surprise bags full of food from places nearby. You can find out more about what you're likely gonna get in these bags by tapping on the restaurant. Rescue a surprise bag of beignets? Don't mind if I do. Olio is another app that lets you share with your community. But this app is more than just food. You can also share things like clothes, chargers, books, and so much more. Both of these apps require other people in your area to also be using them. So one might work better for you than the other. Imperfect Foods is a food delivery service that brings groceries to your door. The food is totally safe to eat, but just for some reason or another didn't make the cut of the grocery store. I think I'll have a beignet.